Hey CalmCool, I can't sign up for TwitchRpg. Yo, CalmCool, TwitchRpg doesn't work. Hey CalmCool, how do I get free bits by watching surveys on TwitchRpg? Yo, CalmCool, what's TwitchRpg and what does it do? Yo, CalmCool, I heard they call you the bit god. Yo, CalmCool, hook it up with the bits. CalmCool, I know you know how to get free bits. I know you know!
This is how we do it when the vocals turn the rhyme and the beats start to collide and it starts to intertwine. Now it's sounding great. It's sounding great. It's sounding great.
What's going on, all you CalmCoolSavages? I'm your host Wesley, aka the Bit God, and you're watching CCS TV. TwitchRpg is a way for Twitch viewers to help improve the Twitch user experience by doing surveys for bits. Yes, you heard me correctly. Free bits, you guys. So you want some of these free bits, but you can't sign up for TwitchRpg? Well, here's a little bit of information that I found on one of their blog websites. It is from 2016, so I don't know if this has been updated or not. I can't find an updated version for 2020, but right here it says, how can I join? It says sign up at twitchrpg.com. The new link will be in the description. And it says they'll send you an invite when space opens up. So maybe you can't get into TwitchRpg because there's already too many people signed up and they gotta send you an invite before you can actually get in. Also right here it says, are there restrictions to joining? Right now, membership is limited to North America and the EU, but we're planning on to expand other parts of the world as soon as possible. I don't know if they expanded yet. So if you live outside the US or the EU and you can't get free bits, it's probably not available in your area. Now, I don't think this is fair for anybody. I say we all need to email Twitch support and tell them to free the bits. I would like for you guys to get free bits too. I've been getting like 1 to 2 comments a day from people saying they can't sign up to TwitchRpg. So I just wanted to clarify and let you guys know this information that I found on Google. If you do live in the US and you can get free bits and you don't know how to get free bits and you want to know how to get free bits, check out the links in the description. I will show you how to get free bits by watching ads on Twitch or by doing surveys on TwitchRpg. With these methods, you can get up to 500 to 1,000 free bits. Now, these videos were posted a while back and I'm planning on doing updated videos in the future. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a little talking video and explain why you guys can't sign up to TwitchRpg. I hate to be the bringer of bad news and I hope Twitch expands its bit program. Everybody comment down below, #FreeTheBits. If you guys are interested, I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. I would love to see you guys in the stream. And if you want to support the channel, I've recently dropped some CCS TV merch. Check out the link in the description. Thanks again, you guys, for tuning in to the video. If you like the video, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button. Thanks again, you guys. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage. BitGod out.